Hey everyone, and you're all welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and today's recipe is spicy fried plantain. It is also a popular food in Ghana. They call it kelewele. All right, join me. Let me show you how I made this. Don't go nowhere. So my ingredients are ginger, calabash, nutmeg, onions, dried pepper. I added water to make it soft. So now I'm going to grind my ginger, calabash, nutmeg, in fact like all the ingredients. So I'm going to add the pepper now because it is very soft. So after adding the pepper and grinding it smooth, I added onions. So guys, as you can see, the onions and everything is also very smooth. Guys, you have to give this recipe a try because it is very healthy and delicious. So now here is my plantain, which I'm going to use my really ripe plantain. Okay, so you can use a very ripe plantain for this recipe. That way you enjoy it more. So I'm going to slice or cut my plantain. You can cut yours in whichever way you want. Okay, so I decided to do mine like this. So guys, after cutting it, I'm going to add salt to it to give it that good taste. And it is also very important to use your ginger and calabash nutmeg for this recipe. Yes, you can also add cloves if you have cloves, and garlic as well, but I decided to use these main ingredients. Okay, yes, so now I added salt to my pepper that I already grinded. Now it's time to add the plantain to the spices. I'm going to stir carefully, stir properly so that everything will just mix together. Yes, so I'm going to let it marinate for 30 minutes. And guys, as you can see, after 30 minutes, I'm going to start frying the spice plantain. So now this is the process. It is very important to add it not too much, like don't add it too much in the pot. Okay, and it is also very important to like stir fry it so that it won't burn. Also lower your heat so that it won't burn as well. So that's it guys. I'm going to continue the next process till everything is ready. So this is the second and the last batch. As you can see, this recipe is a very easy one. That's how I prepared it. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram with the same name, Mama Triple, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And thank you all for sharing, watching my videos. I appreciate you guys. This recipe is also very delicious when you add peanuts to it. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle or add some peanuts to mine. That way I'm going to enjoy it more. Yes, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. Don't forget to share the video. Bye.